Hello everyone, here's the second 52-inch GE Kaiden. This is the one that's in the second spare bedroom, computer room. This room has lots of names. Yeah. Exactly the same as the one in the living room, but it just has the black blades instead of the silver blades showing. Nothing too fancy. Anyway, here's the light. I'm gonna do the wide angle for this one. I can fit it in better. Are you serious? I think the remote just died. Right in the middle of filming my video. That's wonderful. Hang on. You guys are gonna stare at the fan for how many minutes long it takes me to change the battery. Because I don't feel like stopping it and restarting it. Ain't that just perfect comedic timing? Yeah. I'm pushing it multiple times. I'm like, why isn't this responding? I notice the remote lights aren't lighting up. That's kind of impressive. These have been installed for like 6 years, and this is, I think these are the batteries that the remote came with. Came in the box. Yeah. Well, I mean, that makes sense because these, I guess this remote doesn't take a lot of power and isn't pushed that too much that often. Well, it only gets pushed once in a while. Because the default for this thing is the light on and the fan on its lowest speed. And it's only the lights or the fan is changed if somebody's staying. Yeah, there it goes. Maybe what the heck? Why are you reversing? What the heck is going on there? Can you not reverse? I don't know what's going on there. Oh, I betcha. Oh, those lights look a lot brighter. I remember the lights being on this remote being really dim. It was betcha because the batteries are going dead. They're kind of dim on the living room one. Maybe we should change that one as well. Yeah, it's probably not worth it because why would I change something that doesn't get used very often? I'm gonna go toss these batteries in. frame very well, but I'm trying, okay? Here's speed 3. Yeah, because I remember these speed indicator lights weren't that bright. Like, they started going and just wouldn't show up. I thought just the LEDs went out, but why would they go out if it's not on very much? So, that's kind of really annoying. That's kind of funny that it went out as I was doing the video. But as they say, the show must go on. Dead batteries ain't gonna stop me. Well, they'll stop me until I change them. That is. Yeah, those lights are super bright now. That's what it was, why the lights weren't working. Duh. I didn't really think of that. I just thought the LEDs were going out. But LEDs don't really go out unless they're, like really crappy, which sometimes they are. And they burn out after a while. This one doesn't shake as bad. I think it's because that living room one got hit a little bit. Huh. That's interesting. Yeah, maybe I should try and bounce the living room down there. Anyway. Okay. There it is with the light.
Doing a birthday card for Tara. She didn't even get a birthday card.
That's fine.
Because you were at the lake.
Yeah.
I don't save them anyways, do you?
Sometimes we do.
I don't have room.
I think maybe I should change the batteries on the living room fan remote because it was taking multiple presses for the fan to actually respond.
If I have to do it, it'll be screwed.
So
And you might be not able to get over.
I might as well change it. I betcha. That's why. Because you guys saw me pushing the remotes on buttons multiple times and it wasn't responding until I got really close. Probably because the batteries are wearing out and the remote transmitter frequency is not putting out as much as it normally does with completely fresh batteries. Actually, while you guys are watching this spin down, I'm gonna go change those batteries. What a genius idea. Let's just stop now. But I changed the batteries in this one. And see? It works. Yeah, okay. So I guess that's a tip. If your fan remote if your remote, your ceiling fan remote isn't working as well as it should, check the batteries. Aren't I helpful? That's what I'm here for. Anyway, I think shut that back off. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.